This was a fun project where we did a little 400 square foot basement acid stain job, and this floor was in just tremendous condition, and the owners were just so amazing to have it so clean and neat for us when we got there, which isn't too common. We were forever grateful to them for having this job go so smoothly because of their preparation on their behalf. First thing we do is get the floor all clean of any residue and dust. And now that the floor is cleaned up, we want to be certain that we don't leave any footprints out there, so we wipe our feet off as we go out onto the floor to put the acid stain down. Don't want to leave out the fact that we put Visqueen on the walls so that when the acid stain is sprayed down, it doesn't bounce up onto the new sheetrock and stain it and bleed through the new paint when it's applied, as you can see why. And then the color. In this case here we used an Ebony acid stain along with Turquoise. We strategically placed them so that there was some degree of a pattern that the homeowner wanted, and this really was a lot of fun. This is the process as we put down the two colors from pump sprayers, and it is easier to put in 3 people when you have 2 colors, that one being more dominant than the other, so it can go a little bit faster. And this is what it can look like after you've got all that pretty color in place. Isn't that beautiful? Now we're going to put a primer epoxy on the surface here. And once again, put the plastic on the feet just to make sure there's no footprints, especially now that there is some residue left on the concrete. This has all been cleaned and neutralized now, and it's ready to have this first primer coat put into place. And this is how it's done. Rollers, squeegees, brushes, cut in the edges, 18-inch rollers, 9-inch rollers, 4-inch brushes.
Hey, how are you?
And then come back the next day. Look at this. For the second coat and the final coat of the urethane that will leave this in an amazing, remarkable finish that will be just tough, 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 bulletproof tough type of a urethane high gloss finish. So here we go. We'll get the urethane all mixed up, and then be ready to apply it. Haul in all of our rollers, rods, frames, covers, brushes, and we're rocking and rolling, ready to go. And of course, not without music. This gives us rhythm, gives us enthusiasm and spirit. And the same process, 3/8 nap rollers, 18-inch, and the 9-inch 3/8 nap roller covers. And this is the end product. Is this gorgeous or what? Is that amazing? It looks like some kind of an aerial of a coral reef along some exotic beach line. These kind of floors are so low maintenance. They're so fun to create, and they're so inexpensive. Give us a call, and we would love to come out and design an acid stain basement for you.